The following message is transmitted at the request of the Twisted Cops Police Department. A flying dinosaur was spotted last night around 11:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. TCPD was identifying the flying dinosaur on the security cameras. Here is the description. His name is Rodan. He is a red pterosaur-like creature with biovolcanic patterns on its wings. He is about 3.5 feet tall, 2 pterosaur-like horns. He has a beak that resembles like a hawk's and has golden yellow eyes. If you see this creature, please contact police immediately.
Thank you for tuning in. This is Steven. We now start with the weather and traffic. Sally, do you have the weather and traffic?
We have today's weather. It is 52 degrees this morning. If you are heading out the door, bring a jacket or a coat to wear. And now for the traffic. On I-15, there is an accident involving a Nissan Sentra. If you are entering this area, please expect delays as you head to work. Let's look at I-10. Not too bad. No accidents at this time. Back to you, Steven.
Thank you, Sally. Now we have this morning's top headlines. MCTA suing Union Pacific for derailment due to bad trackage. In other headlines, used car prices are going up high. We just had breaking news. A security camera has caught this flying dinosaur. Here's the description. Rodan, red pterosaur-like creature with biovolcanic patterns on its wings. 3.5 feet tall, 2 pterosaur-like horns, beak that resembles like a hawk's and has golden yellow eyes. 3 law enforcement agencies were chasing this flying dinosaur all night. In other news, GUN Fortress has lost contact to the Pentagon.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. Mobius City, Utah, at 7:15 am on October 20th, 2020 effective until 8:15 am. Message from GBY76/CAB. This message is from the Mobius City Emergency Management Agency. Twisted Cops Police Department has spotted the red dragon. Here is the description. The name is Rodan. He is a red pterosaur-like creature with biovolcanic patterns on its wings. He is 3.5 feet tall, 2 pterosaur-like horns, and has golden yellow eyes. If you see this creature, do not apprehend or interact with it. Stay tuned to local news media for more information.
Breaking news. Twisted Cops Police Department founded the creature just around midnight. TCPD officials have identified this creature. We have now on the phone is Chief Whalen. Chief, do you have to say about this creature?
Yes, this creature is a red pterosaur with biovolcanic colors on its body. One of my officers have called me last night and identified this creature. Now our third-party law enforcement has identified it too. Back to you, Steven.
Thank you, Chief. More news. Road tries to fight this pterosaur while law enforcement officials try to deal with the creature. More information will be given on this dangerous situation.
I can't stop praying you hear me pray. I know that I'll be with you there someday. So I've held my hope and waited at your side. In all what's lost, I will let this die. You know God is trying to be me. I'm just feeling of the reason not to fear the sky. Not tonight.
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Mobius City UT beginning at 8:30 a.m. and ending at 9:30 a.m. Gunfire is occurring at the Mobius City downtown area. Avoid the area until further notice. Stay tuned to local news media for more information on the dangerous situation.
Attack in high desert in downtown area. Requesting backup. All units, respond code 3 to 1160.
10-4. I am responding code 3.
Earlier news, rogue attacks Rodan at this point and around 11:55 p.m. Security camera sights Rodan in Mobius City. Breaking news, Metal Sonic fights Rodan. Which one will win? Stay tuned as this dangerous situation develops. There's an EAS alert coming from the encoder. Please listen for further instructions from the local authorities or the national.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius City Police Department. There is a dangerous situation at downtown and Main Street. All residents of downtown and Main Street must lock all doors immediately. If there is an emergency, dial 911. Do not enter the downtown area until all clear is given. Stay tuned to local news media for more information on this dangerous situation.